So we are finally here guys in the 7 Commando Beach. Let's go. So what are the things that we can do here in the 7 Commando Beach is we can play, we can go in the bar, and we can swim around guys. Tara, samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go and get it. 7 Commando Beach. And also here they have a volleyball court that you can play. Look at that guys. Pasyal ko muna kayo dito sa 7 Commando Beach. Puro mga foreigner yung mga naglalaro. So, napakaliit lang siya guys. Dito pwede rin umupo. Yung mga bunga din yung nyug. Oh shit, sorry. Step on the seat. Ito naman yung maliit na bar nila dito. Nice. Awesome. Hi. Go. So yun sila ate. Yan sila ate, yun yung mga kasama namin sa boat. Dito pala pwede mag-swimming, medyo malalim din siya. Let's try to fly my drone guys kung pwede. Papahinga muna tayo. It's a World Cup. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Hey. Come on, vlog. Yes. Yeah.
Boom! Boom! Oh! Bakla mais. Boom! Agang bukla.
Nice one. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Boom!
Well played. Well played. Yeah. Ito na. O, tingin muna kayo dito. Hi, Canada. Sheesh.
Okay na.
Nice lang.
Go.
Let's go.
What's the score?
Tayo maglaro tayo. Sarap namang kalaro.
Basta dali mo dito.
Score guys 100-101.
Ano score?
100-101.
100-101.
Close game.
Sobrang intense ng game na ito.
Intense.
Kitang-kita lang.
World Cup 2023. Advance. Nag-start na dito sa El Nido.
Dito wala one.
7 Commando.
Only here in 7 Commandos.
What happened to you?
Ang daming nanonood ng World Cup nyo.
3,000 people.
3,000 people all around the world.
Alright.
Volleyballs, it's okay.
Boom! Boom! Or touch. Mix yan, mix. May mga Ireland, taga-UK,
Andun, sa
India,
Kapanang,
Pakistan. Lahat yan.
Mga players all around the world.
All around the earth.
All around the earth.
Ay, MVP.
Oh! Gamit mo ka. Gamit mo ka. Serve, serve, serve.
Go!
Go, go, go.
Serve!
Ay, serve.
Asa ka na ba?
Ano ba?
Andun si Bebe, doon sa likod ng bangka. Nakahiga lang sabi.
Wow! Oh, that's not cute. That's not cute. Di ba magsabi, oh, that's cute. Yun, that's not cute.
That's not cute.
Umali ka na. Ano yung sport mo?
Basketball ako eh.
Basketball ayun. Walang ring, walang bola.